Okay, here's how to slice a model, and then I'm going to use the add-on tissue here. So I'm going to select the model, and then I'm going to shift select the object that's going to be tessellated. I'm going to hit tessellate. This is a free add-on, and I'm going to choose tris because I have a icosphere here that's made up of tris. Then I'm going to hit OK, and then it makes it right on top of the other one. So we're going to grab that, and we're going to bring it along the x-axis here. And so this is your coronavirus example. And now we're going to take a plane, and I didn't want to make it flat because there's already a plane here on the icosphere. So for an example, I wanted to rotate it a little bit, show you how it cuts through. So now select your coronavirus, come over here to Boolean, select intersect, and we're going to select plane 02, which is this one, and then you see it gets rid of the top. So if you want to cut it in half and keep both sides, you have to do a different operation. And then we're going to apply this, and then you take the plane, and we're going to grab it on the Y, take it away, and as you see, you've got now a full-faced unit here. And you may have to clean up the mesh a little bit if you got some free-floating things. And you can just hover over that, type L to link all of those free-floating things, and then X and delete vertices. And link, X vertices. And there you go. You've got a half of a coronavirus you can 3D print. And if you want to subdivide it, you can subdivide it, make it smoother. And you may want to do something else besides that. You may want to put an edge loop all the way around here before that and increase the bevel. So we're not going to do that. Anyway, there's how you go to split your model. And you may want to subdivide it first before you split it, and then apply your subdivision, and then split it, and then there's how you get something that's 3D printable.